Round 3 at the cemetery here. We're going to cruise this way. Maybe one more after this, we'll see what happens. It's kind of spread out, but not really that big. So, beautiful day. It's a great day for videoing. It's a nice day to wander through a cemetery and just kind of pay respect to people that lived in this town before I did. And passed on, you know. 1900, Johnson. There are a lot of Johnsons in Minnetonka, this area. My uncle's buried up in Hinckley. One, I'd love to go up there someday. It's a really, really big cemetery. 2016. Well, by my friend's grave, they've yet to put his stone down there yet, but I think it's coming, so. 2001. Kind of see it's kind of a variety of stuff here. Big stuff, small stuff. Ed's and Mary. World War II. He died August 2nd, 1998. Air Service Captain Miller. Korea, Forgotten War. Here's a older one. 1870, 1960. Like I said before, Saudis, what they do, they put you in a gunny sack, put you in the ground with a rock over. They're none of this behavior. You're done. There's one in St. Martin that's really kind of cool. I've been there before. Mother Anna, 1890, 1953, 1930, before World War II kicked in. Shirley Ann Hardin, 1942. Let's see what this is. July 3, 1922. Rasmussen. Now, these are some old ones right here. Yeah, go to some of those small towns, middle of nowhere. We go through the cemeteries, and there's a couple off of Highway 7. One out there by where I get my car stored at. I'd like to go out there, and there's one out there. A lot of stuff out there. They have a lot of big stuff. I go out there, maybe get a chance to see that one of these days. Going out 212, there's a few out that way. Dorothy. Daughter. 1858, 1916. Oh my goodness. Can't get them all, but you try. John Bloomquist. Looks like the Bloomquist family right here. Westmark. Carl went, he was 1830, 1834, 1912, and 1917. Back in the old days, they didn't have the internet. Life was simple back then. They didn't have the discord like we have now in this country. You know, with the election coming up here, you know, all the hatred be going on. So, it is what it is. They got Mary, John, and baby. 36 and 49. Hate to see that when you see a stillborn. Pauline Nelson was 1883, 1972, mother. See a lot of these ones that can't really read. It's unfortunate. Died 1878, 1823. Oh my goodness. Born 1825, 1920. Oh my goodness. Biggins. Now how they cut the grass here, it's got to be an absolute biatch. Tomorrow, the Vikings are in Green Bay. But this will come out in 2025. I do like going through the cemetery. I think it's kind of cool. See all the old. Actually, there's one I've seen out in 94. I've seen it's kind of cool, but gotta be out that way for, you know. Nelson, good last name. Roth. See a lot when you're driving around town. There's one out there. Celebrity got buried out there in Roseville. I might go out there one of these days. The loved daughter and loving mother. (2005). (1959). They can watch the sun go down every day. 1945, into World War II. Under a tree here, Laura Plantum Bulk, I can't pronounce, Bryant, Elizabeth P.O.I. Plampton, 1907, 1961, Lily Mary. So they're probably all sisters here, all buried together. So she went 1972, excuse me. So they're all buried together, the three sisters, huh? The triple treat, as I say, right? Emily Olson. I like that name. Dean. He went 93, she went 1999. Kind of a nice arrangement here. Kind of cool. I like that. Very nice. Very cool. A lot of bees are in here right now, pollinating. Carpenter. Very nice. Oh, that's bad. 12 years old, 8 months. You have 1859, 1938. Clint Mayahu. W. Phillips. Adolf, rest in peace. It's a nice one. 1911, 1838. Alan, Shirley. I think that's an elementary school, I think. I don't know which one that one is. I have no idea. Behind there's a park over there. You can play softball and stuff. So. Shannock, Ben, Junior, Arnold. Oh, doesn't say anything. Oh, it does, but it's 1883, 58 years old. 54, 18, died 1890. My goodness, old. Whipple, 1872, 1961. Huh. Shank, that one already. I don't know if I was over here or not. Park Twins. 1919, 1991, 1999, Dorothy. Maybe they never got married. Nelson, 1974. But anyways, we'll make our way back over there. Do one more. This is kind of a cool one right here. Let's see. Johnson, Bertha, Howard. Anyways, there we go. Perfect. Way to end it.